song goes out to our amazing friend. His name is David Casnelson. And he's one of the great visionaries of the music scene. We were lucky that he loved us and convinced some people at Warner Brothers that they should put out our records. And without him, I think the Flaming Lips, we probably would have been able to do something. But we're all lucky sometimes when some angel comes in and lifts you up enough to believe in yourself, and you can fight through anything. So this song goes out to him. Come on, you gotta scream, come on. You gotta scream. Yes. Come on, you gotta keep screaming, come on. JFK. Yeah. The way you look at me sucks me down the sidewalk. Somebody please tell this machine I'm not a machine, right? My hands are in the air, and I swear they always are. You're fucked if you do, and you're fucked if you don't. shot a hole in the Jesus